you hit the record button and then things start to happen. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do a little bit of everything here, but today we're going to be doing an opening. I guess kind of like also an unboxing because it's in a box and we're taking it out. But I'm opening it. It was a gift that I received during the holidays. It is a NYX Professional Makeup Gimme Superstars 24-day holiday countdown calendar. Tells you a little bit about what's in there on here, and then I think it gives you the full rundown on the back as well. But I figured, oh, we're sealed all over because it says Advent and calendar. I might as well go through and open them up with you because that's like so cute. Do I have a knife? Here, I thought I misplaced my knife. Let's open this together. We're sealed like all edges except for this side where you're meant to be. Whatever. Oh no, is it just, oh, is it, oh, okay, it's just this side that it's sealed. Yeah, if I can open it gently. Somewhat gently. I win. What do you look like? Oh wow, we're pretty and we're big. We're pretty big. This is cute. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hold it like this the whole time or if we're gonna have to try for something else, but oh, this is cute. How many are there? 24? We'll go through it together. It'll be cute. It'll be fun. Let's do it. Where, number 1, right over here. Ooh. What are you? A butter gloss in, do you say which one you are? Praline. That's pretty cute though. I do have a few of their butter glosses. It's been a minute. Actually, for NYX in general, it's been a hot minute since I've used any of the products. So this will be a nice refresher. Cool. Number 1. Oh, do we just go across? That's convenient. I've seen a couple of people who are doing like advent calendars and they're like over here, over there, and then behind, and then like some and it's just a mess. Yeah. This is convenient though. Let's go through. This should be quick then. Let's go through each day. Number 2 is a dot of, oh, I'm gonna guess it's an eyeshadow because it says pressed pigment in Utopia Soft Pink. That's pretty cute. Hi. I like single shadows. They're not super convenient to have around unless you have a need for those. It's 2, 3. 3. What is this? Black little HD Studio Photogenic. Oh, eyeshadow base. Okay. Cute. What do you look like? Everything in here is mini, by the way, but oh, okay. Little. Okay. I see you. Sounds pretty liquidy too, but okay. Thank you. That's nice. On to day door number 4. Oh, we're pretty big. Born to Glow. What are you? No, well, yeah. Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. So you're just a highlight? I'm guessing this is just a highlighter. Or highlight. Liquid highlight? Yeah. Nice though. I don't think I do. I don't think I get much use out of liquid highlight. I should try. Number 5, we're going in a row here. Oh. And this is a soft matte lip cream. Ooh, I do love those. And you're in the shade Leon. That's a nice shade. I've been digging like the terracotta-y browns, reds, however you want to put it, because it's a mix of red and brown. I don't know why this season it's just perfect for me. And that looks like it might work for me pretty well. On to number 6 from the bottom. Oh, ooh, shiny. Okay, you see this? Shiny. What shade are you? In Utopia Rose Gold. It does look pretty nice. It's a sparkly, shimmery little fella. Huh. So that's 2 eyeshadows, 1 butter gloss, 1 soft matte lip cream, a shadow primer, and a liquid highlight. And a partridge in a pear tree. 7. 7. Oh, another butter gloss. Cool. And it's in this it's in the shade Cinnamon Roll. I was like, you look like the other one. Cinnamon Roll. This is like a true brown, and this one is like a reddish brown. As you can kind of see there. I'm gonna start lining you guys up on my desk so I can keep track of who's who and where you are. Cool. Oh, 8 over here, number 8. Ooh, another shadow. This one is a brown Utopia brown shimmer. Yeah, cute. 3 eyeshadows and counting. Let me put those down here, put this here, put them over there. I'm organized. Or I'm getting organized. Yeah. All right, that's everything for this row. So now on to number 9, way over here. A butter gloss, and this one's cute. You're like a nude for me. Fortune Cookie. I like this one. This one's actually really cute. Well, I have lip stuff on now, so I'll probably try it on later. But that's cute. 3 butter glosses. 3 so far. On to 10. This one's a long door. How do I open this? Oh! It's another Born to Glow liquid illuminate. Oh, are you different? Okay, so the first one was Sunbeam and the second one is Gleam. I was like, didn't I just different but the same sort of? Yeah. Yes. On to Day Door 11. Open up right here. And this is a soft matte lip cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. Cute. I think we're going for like a little brown-ish theme here. I'm not mad at it. So we got 2 of the soft matte lip creams, 3 butter glosses. Is there going to be like an even number at the end of this? That is 11. Let's do 12. If we can. Ooh! Oh, that matches my nails pretty good. Not exactly, but look at that. That's not, I could have used you the other day. Where were in the box? And this one is in the shade Gold. Cute though. Look at that. Shiny, shiny. Sparkle, sparkle. That's 4 shadows so far. 4. On to Day Door 13. By the way, very cute. I'm loving like the red gold we have going on here, especially because my nails are gold, so we're matching. We're coordinating. Ooh! Do you see this? You're a little dusty looking, but dang, what? My eyes, that is a nice red. What color are you? Monte Carlo. Wow. That's a nice red. Oh, and I'm sorry, you're a soft matte lip cream. So we have 3 soft matte lip creams and 3 butter glosses. We're tied. But we went from like our brown theme, boom, red over to red, which is really what I thought this whole thing would be, like golds and reds, but no, we got some variety. Okay. On to 14. If I can open it. Pore filler. It is a primer. So it's a tiny little primer, but it's still pretty neat. I mean, at least you can try it, see if you like it before you have to commit to the giant one. That's cool. Wow. What was that, 14? So I did 14. On to 15. We're a chunky little door, aren't we? Oh, we're a little bit bigger. Almost fell out there. This is the HD finishing powder. Ooh, mineral based in translucent. We don't have any finishing powder, so cool. First one. Nice. And then Daydor 16. All of these are things that I need to try. What is this? How do you... Oh, come here. Ah, I got it. Oh, we're sunk in there a little bit. That's okay. 16 is a soft matte lip cream in the shade Budapest. That's cute. It's like a berry-y color. All good holiday colors, by the way. Okay, so 4 of the soft matte lip creams, 2 butter glosses. 3 butter glosses. I can't count. Good thing there's numbers on these doors. Number 17. Daydor 17. A butter gloss. And this is cute. This is like a mauve. Oh, it's called tiramisu. That's cute. Hi, tiramisu. Okay, so now we're even with butter glosses and matte lip creams. Yes, 4 of each. I can count when I went to door day 18. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, I have a couple of these because I like them. They're lip oils. This one is the This Is Everything sheer lip oil. Comes in these shiny little tubes, but it is so great for my lips and it stays shiny too. So these are so wonderful. Yes, one of those. I would have taken all of those, like just 24 of them. Just saying. Daydor 19. Oh, wow. This is nice. What are you? Purple shimmer. We're just straight to the point with the eyeshadows. We are. Because this one is a purple shimmer. It's kind of like a little bluish in my viewfinder, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shadows. 5. On to Daydor 20. And a butter gloss. I don't know why y'all are coming out of here like with little things on you. This is a butter gloss in butterscotch cute brown. So 5 butter glosses and 4 soft matte lip creams. On to Daydor 21. And we're even again with another soft matte lip cream in Stockholm. Do we want to travel? Is that what this is all about? Is there a hint in here that you want me to just head off somewhere? Because, I mean, I can't. I want to say I can, but I can't. But I want to. Eventually. Daydor 22. Ooh. Like a matte purple. Can I have you? It's called dark purple because it is dark purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyeshadows. Oh, Day number 23. We're getting closer to the end. Oh, wow. So this is a soft matte lip cream. What shade are you in? Copenhagen? Look how deep this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is pretty deep. I like it. Don't get me wrong. Wow. Wow. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we have one more soft matte lip cream, then we do butter glosses right now. And we're into our final door, day 24. Oh, we might have evened it out here. Yes, we did. It is a butter gloss in the shade Brownie Drip. Kind of hungry now. Brownie Drip. Cute. That's nice. So we have like a brownish kind of theme, at least for the lips. The eyeshadows, we did like pinks and purples and a beautiful gold. This is kind of nice. I like this. I mean, and yeah, it tells you everything that you're getting on the back. Right here, everything. Line by line by line. Press pigment. Do not use around eyes. Your eyeshadows is what they're referring to not use around your eyes. But yeah. This was a really cute advent calendar. I don't think I did any other ones this year. I opted out for a lot of them just because I have so much already, and I wanted to make sure whatever I was getting. I wanted to make sure whatever I was getting was something I actually needed. I didn't need this, but I really like it. I appreciate it. Did anybody else get these? I know I saw them a lot. Like Ulta was pushing these, and that's probably how I got this. I'm not complaining. These are cute. I like them. I'm kind of excited to see how these little guys go. Out of everything. Okay. These. I'm trying to hold everything. These are going to be the items that I'm most excited to try. So we got 2 of the eyeshadows here, the gold and the purple. And then the, what are you, the eye primer? Yes. This finishing powder, I have not tried any from NYX, but it's super affordable, so that would be really great to do. And then these lippies. Hello. We're cute. Look, I know, I'm sorry, I'm like hogging them for myself, but these are so deep and so just rich with color. They caught my eye out of the box, and it makes me want to keep trying and go for more and see what else we can do. I want to try them out. They're by no means my style, but sometimes it's fun to step out of the box that, you know, you create for yourself. It's nice. Maybe. How long have we been doing this for? 20 minutes? Oh, a whole 20 minutes. Well, this is it. That was my advent calendar. I'm not going to ask you if you got anything different in your advent calendar because I'm pretty sure they're all the same. Unless you did get something different in your advent calendar, in which case we need to talk. Lots of butter glosses. Well, lots of lippies, I should say. And I mean, it's good that they're little because I don't think I'm going to use them too much. I would have liked to see maybe some blushes or brushes or some kind of tools, something. But these are good. This is nice. I like it. It'll help me get into NYX, which is a good thing. It's convenient, it's affordable, and I don't mind going to Target. I really don't. Anyway, I'm gonna end this here. I will catch you next time. Bye.